Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find and remove duplicates in Google Sheets. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Google Sheets, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Finding and removing duplicates in Google Sheets is essential for maintaining clean and accurate data. Alright? Because it ensures that your data set is free from redundancy or overlapping information. I find it very helpful for making informed decisions based on reliable data because duplicates can skew analytical results and reporting metrics if not identified and removed. Now, for us to be able to find the duplicates, all we're going to do is select the cells that you're currently working on and then go to format and then go to conditional formatting. What will happen is you would give it another window here. All right. Now I need you to go to the format rules. It says format cells if it's not empty, but I want you to go to the custom formula is. All right. Now you can enter a value or formula, which is going to be, now this is going to be the formula that I'm going to put in. And that's going to be equal sign count if this one. A5. And press click on done. Now you see the duplicates has been selected, right? I'm gonna choose another color for you to see if we have, you see that one. All right, so let me do that again. I'm going to put in random information here. Just to check. All right, so I'm gonna put in something here, something here. Let's mix it. All right, and again, let's select the value, go to the format, conditional formatting, and again let's choose the yellow. All right, or maybe this one, but of course we're going to go to the custom formula. And again, the formula is going to be equal sign count if that's going to be A, and it started from A5, right? And of course, greater than 1. You see, that changes. These are going to be the duplicates, all right? Now, doing so, and finding and removing all of these duplicates in Google Sheets is essential for maintaining data quality, accuracy, and efficiency in data management because it supports better decision-making processes and ensures that your data remains reliable and actionable. All right? It's clear, it's accurate, it's a lot easier to understand for those accessing and giving the privileges to other admins and collaborators to ensure that the information presented is true. All right, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.